In 2026, the most efficient businesses hold zero physical inventory and run on 80 to 100% profit margins. This economy relies heavily on PLR, or private label rights. PLR is a digital licensing mechanism that allows entrepreneurs to purchase an existing digital asset, like an ebook, course, or planner, legally rebrand it, and sell it under their own name. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to take a standard $20 base template and engineer it into a live, fully automated income stream. You only need 3 things to execute this setup: a starting budget of under $50, a basic graphic design tool, and an account on a digital storefront platform. Because you bypass the product creation phase entirely, this model allows you to focus 100% of your leverage directly on branding and profit generation. Step 1 is isolating a high-demand category. Current market data points directly to 3 specific niches with guaranteed high buyer intent: AI tech skills, remote work productivity, and health and wellness. Instead of starting from a blank page, you source a premium-based digital asset, such as a prompt guide or a wellness planner, from a vetted marketplace. This diagram illustrates the required editing threshold. To establish legal ownership and brand uniqueness, you must execute the 30 to 50% customization rule. You systematically alter 4 main elements: product title, primary color palette, internal graphics, and logo placement. Selling a PLR file exactly as you bought it is a fatal error. Major platforms run automated checks, and unedited files quickly trigger duplicate content strikes, suspending your storefront. Customization serves a dual purpose. It establishes your legal right to the content and builds the specific brand identity that justifies a higher price point. With the product rebranded, we map out the specific pricing mechanics required to hit that 80 to 100% profit margin. Because the delivery is completely digital, your cost per unit is 0. The standard approach is to apply a 3 to 10 times markup on your customized product. This flowchart tracks the basic math. Acquire a base planner for $20, put it through your customization process, and set the retail price at $47. To scale revenue efficiently, you increase average order value, or AOV. This metric tracks the total amount spent per checkout. You achieve this by bundling 3 related digital items, forcing a 30% increase in AOV. You set up tiered pricing on your store. A buyer can purchase the basic standalone version for $20, or they can choose the premium bundled collection for $50. Strategic bundling removes you from a race-to-the-bottom price war. You now compete entirely on the perceived comprehensive value of your package. Step 3 is setting up the delivery mechanism. You upload the finalized asset to a digital storefront platform like Etsy or Shopify. When configuring the product listing, you must find and enable the specific setting that triggers automated digital fulfillment. Flipping this single toggle completely removes human labor from the delivery process. Your file is automatically sent to the buyer the moment their payment clears, closing the loop on your 24/7 passive system. But a perfectly automated storefront generates 0 revenue without an aggressive traffic strategy. To capture top-of-funnel attention, you must consistently deploy high-contrast, fast-paced visual marketing assets across algorithm-driven social media platforms. A successful PLR business relies on the interaction between marketing and automation. Marketing captures buyer attention, while the automated system handles the actual fulfillment. You now possess a live, global listing capable of processing transactions while you sleep. This diagram breaks down the final return on investment. Securing just 10 sales of a $47 product yields $470, generated entirely from a single $20 base purchase. From here, you must actively monitor your platform analytics to identify which specific product variations and traffic sources convert best. This system removes the direct link between hours worked and income earned. Once the digital asset is built, you can fulfill thousands of orders without increasing your personal labor. In the next module, we will construct targeted social media funnels to drive thousands of buyers directly to your newly minted link.